A cute girl can also become aggressive if you play it the wrong way.
שמע, זה כמו בר אליאס, מי מכיר את בר אליאס? אחי, הבן אדם פתח...
כאילו בר אליאס.
הבן אדם פתח עם פקק... עשינו איזה סרטון.
הוא פתח עם פקק.
כן, אתה ראית על בר אליאס שהיא לא באמת ישראלית. כן, כפרה עליך.
Dogs really bring us entertainment and the feeling of being children.
Nina, hug him. Nina, gently lang.
Oh! Come here. Oh my god!
When Dog hears his dad say that girls are often attracted to a six-pack body. The motor nervous system of the owner and his dog may already be connected.
Alright, I'll just throw it.
Discovering that sometimes the eyes of an animal are more affectionate than the eyes of a boyfriend.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss. Give me a real kiss. Oliver. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The way dogs do to calm Dad down, but it doesn't seem to work. The interface is cute, but the voice makes people jump.
Can't go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Ooh, 'cause in the sky full of stars.
The dog's love for his father is so great that even if he goes to the mountains or to the sea, he will follow.
Jasper, what are you doing? So stupid.
The fastest and most helpful delivery staff. Apparently that's the Zoomy siren. When your wife told you to take your kid to the park. The most effective method to prevent loneliness is to play with a dog. sleep tight, or maybe the phrase rest in peace is fit more in this case. The princess of the royal family is not certain to be taken care of like this dog.
Allez, maintenant tu vas essayer de parler un peu, tu vois. Aouh. Un peu, ouais. Aouh. Allez, encore un peu plus développé.
This dog is the best back scratcher, therefore there's no need to purchase any more. When you're not the buys on this adorable creature's list. Normally, eating an ice cream takes 5 minutes, but in this case, the time has been reduced to 3 times.
Tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day, or the next day, as you get exposed, perhaps from someone who may not even know they're infected.